Hello children. In this chapter we will learn a spreadsheet. What is a spreadsheet? How to define a spreadsheet. We will learn features, component of the spreadsheet. Same fashions, we learn how to work on worksheet, difference between workbook and worksheet, how to edit and format on a spreadsheet in this chapter. I hope you will understand. We will learn spreadsheet software is one of the widely used technical collection of computing and display the data. Means here we can collect the data, we can compute the data and we can display the data. Spreadsheet contains a rectangular array of a cell in row and column. Means we can say that we are getting a cell and there cell is defined in a row and column. There we can be put the data. Okay. Spreadsheet package are available are various operating system. Various operating system is many operating systems are there. Many operators means there is Windows, Unix, Linux, Vista. So each operating software spreadsheet are available. Whenever we are going to back, the first spreadsheet was a Lotus. Okay. Then after that, another sheet, Microsoft Excel has come. Then spreadsheet softwares and different company has developed the software. You can see in your book, there is a lot of package available like a spreadsheet. Means you can do in MS Excel, Lotus, IBM Corporations, Coral, Quad Pro. Means every company has launched their own spreadsheet. बात करते हैं कि हर जैसे ही हमें स्प्रेडशीट पे काम करने की बात आती है तो टोटल डाटा कैलकुलेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग वी कैन डू इन स्प्रेडशीट. मीन्स इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक अ मार्कशीट, यू वांट टू मेक अ डेटा, है ना, डेटा एंड डेटा, ऑल टाइप ऑफ डेटा, वोटर लिस्ट, अदर मेनी कंपनीज आर यूजिंग डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ द स्प्रेडशीट. ओके, सो आप यहाँ पर यूज़ कर सकते हो और अपनी डेटा की एफिशिएंसी बढ़ा सकते हैं. और चिल्ड्रंस, अब हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, बात करते हैं कि एक्सेल इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ MS ऑफिस पैकेज. MS ऑफिस आपको पता है, वर्ड आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, पावर पॉइंट पढ़ा है. वैसे ही एक्सेल क्या है, एक्सेल इज़ अ पैकेज ऑफ MS ऑफिस. It has to ability to organize large amount of the data in order of spreadsheet and the chart quickly. It is easily to insert the data and format the data in Excel 2016. You can give the graphical presentation easily. Okay, this is a good quality and many business companies. Why many companies are using a spreadsheet. Many business persons are also using a spreadsheet for calculation. So children, 1978, Robert and Dane has developed a spreadsheet. Means they have to figure out the proper spreadsheet. Okay. What is the features of MS Excel? First, I want to inform you that you can do powerful analyticals and compressive data with easy and effective way in MS Excel. Second, what can we do? In Excel, we can send the data through email. Earlier it can't be, but now we can throw the data via email also. And also you can work in a smartphone via spreadsheet, as well as we can do many more work. We can do graphical presentations, means we can create a charts easily in MS Excel also. Okay, we can protect our sheet via password. These password facilities are also available here. You know that whenever we are doing the data work, at the time it is very difficult to calculate one person. So by the web we can share our data with the various persons and our work can be fast and effective also. Okay, so that is a very great features. It is a very friendly in internet via we can do work.